Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset an LG soundbar. Basically there's a lot of models out there, so I'm going to tackle multiple methods in order to do so. Now for the first method, which is going to be the power and Bluetooth mode with no remote. Now with the unit turned on, we want to press and hold the power and Bluetooth button simultaneously for around 10 seconds, and from there this will then restart the device. For the second method, we have the volume and sound effect with the remote device. We want to press and hold the volume down and on the unit and the sound effect on the remote simultaneously, and once again this will reset the problem. And for most model out there which has the physical reset button, basically you can then use a needle to press the pinhole reset button on the bottom of your device, which should be held for around 5 to 10 seconds. As you have noticed, also most smartphones have this pinhole reset button, so you can look for a similar hole, and from there that's it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.